Hello, welcome back to my channel and this DIY video. I'm hoping this little mic is going to be okay. I feel like it's a bit shuffly. Let me just check it's okay. I think we're all good as long as I don't move it. In today's video, we are making these super cute bag charms or key rings, keychains, whatever you want to call them. I've seen that they're really in recently, and I feel like it's just like a fun pop of color or like just like a fun pop, a fun accessory to add to your bag. Plus, I feel like I'm really going back to my like primary school roots, making these Scooby Doos, because we used to be wild for Scooby Doos. Yeah, they were all the rage. So that was really fun to like relearn. So in this video, I'm going to show you two tutorials. One is this, I think it's like a box stitch Scooby Doo. And then the next, I don't actually know what this is called. This is called, let's call it a zigzag. So it's like that. So it's got three different colors with the green in the inside. So I'm going to show you tutorials for those. But I just wanted to give you a bit more substance to the video instead of just the DIY. I wanted to share some other cool like charms and things that you can make that I haven't showed in this video that you can add onto your keychain, because it doesn't just have to be the one Scooby Doo. Like here I've added a little smiley face. So yeah, a smiley face. You can make a smiley face. How many times have I said that? Or like a flower. So something like this, and I'll put all the tutorials in the description for these extra little bits you can add on. You can also add beads. I didn't have any beads, but I really wanted to like sort of like weave some beads through some ribbon or yarn. Like spell out my name. So I feel like that would be really fun. And then I also thought this like little man here was really cool. I didn't get a chance to make him, but I feel like he would look really cool, just like hanging off your bag. So yeah, those are my fun extra bits. But now we will get on to making our little charms. And for materials, um, I found this cord just like in my local craft shop. So they might have stuff like this in Hobbycraft, which is a bit bigger, or your craft shop. They definitely have stuff like this on Amazon. Um, but I didn't want to buy like 10 meters. So I just bought like a couple of meters from my craft shop, and it was like 44p per meter. So yeah, another tip is, and I'll show this in the tutorial, is you'll need a lighter. You can get little metal caps that you can add onto the end of your cords, but I just use a lighter and it just makes sure that the cord doesn't fray and come undone. Anyway, I've been talking enough, so let's get on to the tutorials and have fun making your bag charms.